Just as the 20 young ladies of JCI Marikina Maritim have set the right tone for this occasion, let us now take the opportunity to recognize some of our special guests of honor and special friends whom we have the privilege of gracing tonight's affair. Now, we would like to start with the highest member of our organization who is present this evening, none other than our very, very thin, emaciated,
our lovable and
huggable National Senior Executive Vice President, JCI Senator Tonky Ariola.
Yes. Si Tonky, kahit sa makarating niya, hindi nakakalimutan ng mga tao. Na Tonky, kitang-kita mo agad si Tonky.
Next, of course, is our beloved and certainly one of the most outstanding leaders we have in our organization, bar none. Let us now please give a warm round of applause to our National Executive Vice President, proudly from JCI Manila, JCI Senator Louie Basilio Jr.
Yes. Mas malakas yata yung palakpak kay Louie.
Uy, sobra.
Ha? Masaraming pala yung Emmy.
And of course, we have the dashing, debonair, tall, dark, and handsome. Yeah, sino kaya yan? The incoming JCI incoming, pinaprocess ng kanyang senatorship. The JCI Senator from the land of Quezon City capital, JC's. Let us all please give a warm round of applause to JCI Senator Mark Voltaire Padilla.
Wow! Alam mo, Reggie, medyo matagal-tagal akong absent sa area activities, no? Though I became an SG of then an MVP from Bulacan. So, etong mga babasahin ko parang bago sa aking pandinig and mga bagong mukha. So, simulan natin sa Presidente ng San Juan, si Scarlett Oxon. And kasama niya ang IPP, si Lim Malansala. And also the President from Mandaluyong, Romel